Hello, how is everything? If you even got to this video, it's because you want to know more information about the BLW Binary Master app, so stay with me until the end of this video. I'll tell you right away that the official Binary Master app website will let you know. In the description link of this video, as you can see, I am recording my computer screen. I will give you details about the Binary Master app. You're a binary options trader? BLW has developed an exclusive master app for you. The most powerful master app for binaries. It's a 3-minute strategy chart, which means that you can place trades with an expiry time of 3 minutes. 70%, 80% accuracy. BLW Binary Master App. Based on the 3-minute strategy. 3-minute strategy. Precision. 70%, 80% accuracy. MT4 supported. Compatible with MT4. Barrett. Binary Academy. 10 master classes. Webinar. Live webinars. Support. 247. Works 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Looking for business? Meet Christian, founder and responsible. BLW Online Trading YouTube channel, 90,000 subscribers. BLW Facebook group, more than 8,500 active members. BLW Trading Academy, 6,000 graduate students. Strategy Maker in 2 minutes, over 700,000 YouTube views. Largest binary options community, 2020. 4.8-star rating on Trustpilot. Thanks guys, I'm going to leave here the official website of our Binary Master app. In the description of this video, leave any questions there in the comments, I'll answer everyone.